Ouchies! Why is it always my damn job to clean up the messes?
The stream will start momentarily. Please stand by.
Ouchies! Why is it always my damn job to clean up the messes?
The stream will start momentarily. Please stand by.
Alright. Oops. Let me pause that. Alright, hello everyone, and, let me... switch to this, scene. And, alright, and we will unmute this. Or, well, I guess I'll keep it muted for... Alright, come here, Discord. Also, yes, you may notice I'm using my Movo UM700 today because it actually decided to cooperate even when I placed the laptop up on top of my old machine, and I'm using my desktop keyboard, as you can probably tell. Come here, Discord. Oh, get out of here, Opera. I don't need that. There we go. Oops. Disable streamer mode. And go into the server. Eh. And then join in the channel. Why is Razer Cortex open? What the fuck? Kill that. Now, or I will kill you. And I will unmute that. And I'm actually going to...
Select synthesizer dialog. Synthesizer combo box.
Well,
OBS 32. YouTube live 1 button.
Okay, let me...
Click general voice combo music away roll window resize user voice disconnect button elapsed button share screen. Dialog applications button application devices button OBS 32.1 devices button entire screen button
Entire screen.
devices button screen 1 button.
Dan the Blind Gamer has started streaming.
There we go. And now I'm gonna go Alt-Tab back out of here to File Explorer.
PC 202. PC.R102. PC 202.
And I have I have the MAME folder open where my... I have the folder open where my MAME files are stored, or at least the files I need to run.
Selected. Earlier received PC 101. Items view list yesterday. News.m 234. Data.m 134. Earlier printer.txt. CFT. A long time ago. Grouping expanded. A long time ago. Webs.txt 5. Mame.exe 634. Mame.sims. Blue.exe. Copy. Oozle.dt. Anagazm. Imtool.exe. Rom.exe 13. Verify.exe 15 of 34. PC.bat 21 of 34.
PC.bat. We're gonna run that.
Windows System 32 cmd.exe. See Windows System 32 cmd.exe terminal.
And hope that the audio doesn't glitch out, because sometimes it likes to. Although it shouldn't, because last time I tried to...
PC/8486 with CS4031 chips at CT486.
Yeah, shut up. Oh, that didn't... Okay. I wonder what the hell that... I wonder where in the hell...
Talk PC version 4.2c is running. To start speech, type one of the following. A. Run ASAP. F. Run Flipper. FB. Run Flipper with Sound Blaster speech. J. Run JAWS. JB. Run JAWS with Sound Blaster speech. V. Run Vocalize.
We're gonna use JAWS with Deck Talk this time.
JAWS version 2.31 serial number 009387 registered to JAWS Brewer. Ready. C. /.
Oh, that's weird, because last time I booted this shit up, it fucking said demonstration copy, I think. Unless today is the day that they made it freeware, but okay. Granted, this is JAWS for DOS, not JAWS for Windows. JAWS for Windows is still gonna cost $1,000 for a permanent license, until either well, I guess now they're Vespero, but either until they get their shit together and realize that a lot of people don't have that kind of money, or until never. I don't know. Okay, let me,
See Windows System 32 cmd.exe. OBS 32.1.2. Checkbox. Mute desktop audio checkbox not checked.
mute that. Hold on. Let me actually... Okay, go to the run dialog. Oh, let me... Speak type characters off. There we go. Gonna open this in Chrome so I can... Alright. I don't want to play it. I just want to check the fucking chat. Oh, come on. Okay, so there's no one in chat yet.
Not checked. YouTube Live 101 slash M. PC File Explorer items view list alarm time.
Give me my
PC
main
74,
window,
186,
damn it.
43.
There we go.
Greater.
Oh yeah, and I finally found out how to get into the menu. It's Control/.
Jaws main menu.
For some reason. I don't know why.
Numlock off.
Numlock off, damn it.
Right, blank.
Oop. Oh, shit. I may need to,
Unloading JAWS. Quit JAWS for Windows 9.
quit NVDA.
Page up exiting.
No. I did not ask you to do that, damn it.
Greater.
Alright, give me my main menu.
Jaws main menu.
Now give me...
Global.
yeah, global. In the voices menu.
Volume. 10. Volume.
Oops.
Page down.
Ah.
Rate. Pitch. Voices. Standby. Volume. Rate.
Rate.
8. Rate. 8. And
Ah.
7, 6, 5, 4.
I'm gonna set that to 4. Or, well...
5, 4. Rate. 4. Rate. Page down. Pitch. Voices. Standby. Volume. Rate. Volume. Rate. Pitch. Voices.
I wonder what, how they sounded at this time with the Deck Talk PC. Let's go in here.
1. Voices. 1. Page down.
Oh shit, I keep thinking that right arrow is numpad 3.
2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And don't you people dare start that 6-7 crap in the chat, or I will obliterate each and every one of you with that thing.
Page down.
Oh.
9.
10. 10.
Oh, so you can...
Page down.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Voices. 10. Voices.
Wait, so how do you...
Page down.
Arrgh.
Standby. Volume. Rate. Pitch. Voices.
Voices, question mark? Question mark, question mark, question mark?
10.
Oh, wait. Fuck.
Voices. Page down.
Eh.
Standby. Voices.
Yeah, voices.
10. 10.
Well, let me...
Global.
Oh, okay, so that's how you back up out of that.
Keyboard. Screen. Speech pad. JAWS cursor. Universal. Extra. Global. Extra.
Extra, here we go.
Comma pause. Period pause. Punctuation. Citation. Proper name. Comma pause. Period pause. Punctuation. Citation. Proper name. Comma. Period. Punctuation. Citation. On. Citation. On. And.
Eh.
Toggle. On. Off.
Off.
Citation. Proper name. Comma pause. Period pause. Punctuation. Some.
Some, obviously. I'm not that crazy.
None. Some. Punctuation.
Alright, let's go back to...
Citation. Proper name. Comma pause. Extra. Universal. JAWS cursor. Speech pad. Screen. Keyboard. Global. Volume. Rate. Pitch. 5. And
Oops.
4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10. Pitch. Voices.
It's not even changing the pitch.
Pitch.
What the hell?
Global. Voice. Config files. Voice. Exiting. C:\\greater. JAWS main menu. Global. Page down. Keyboard. Screen. Keyboard. Screen. Speech pad. JAWS cursor. Universal. Extra. Global. Volume. Rate. Pitch. 10. And.
Ah.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pitch. Voices. Standby. Voices. 10.
Oh, it's... Oh, okay.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1, 1.
There we go. So that's why it was, because it was...
And. 1. Voices. Page down. Standby. Volume. Rate. Pitch. 4. 5. Pitch. Voices. Standby. Volume. Rate. Page down. Pitch. Voices. Standby. Voice. Pitch. Rate. 4. 5. 6. 7. 6. 5.
I'll leave it at 5.
Rate. Pitch. Voices. Standby. Volume. Rate. Pitch.
And then...
Global. Voice. Exiting. C:\greater.
And then I can just type in... Win. And it'll load up... Windows 3.11. Yeah, like this isn't full DOS, but
Windows 3.1. Multi-document window. Main. File manager. Program manager. Arrow.
why is it doing that? I don't like that.
Bottom right. Size northwest southeast. Bottom left. Size northeast southwest. Windows. Setup. Arrow. File manager. Size northeast southwest. Control panel. Print manager. Clipbook. Viewer. MS-DOS prompt. MS-DOS prompt.
Yeah, it sounds a bit weird, but that's probably just because of the sample rate of the frickin'...
Clipbook. Viewer.
Yeah, nah, that's weird. Or maybe it's my sound card.
Print manager. Control panel. File manager. File manager. File manager. Windows setup. Pip header. Pip header. Arrow. Readme. Clipbook. View. Print manager. Control panel. File manager. File manager.
How can I...
File manager. File man. Control panel. Control panel. Pip header. Windows setup. Windows setup. File manager. File manager.
Wait, how can I go back?
Windows setup. Windows setup. Pip header. Readme. Clipbook. MS-DOS prompt. MS-DOS prompt. MS-DOS. MS. Clipbook. View. Clipbook. MS-DOS prompt. Clipbook. View. Print manager. Control panel. File manager. File manager. File manager.
What the hell was that? Oops.
F equals file pull down.
Whoops. Oh, right. I was an idiot and I forgot I have...
JAWS for Windows is ready. For screen sensitive help, press insert plus F1. For JAWS help keys or open dialog boxes, press insert plus H. For a summary of Windows shortcut keys, press insert plus W. Start toggle button not pressed. Select synthesizer pick dog.
PC-File Explorer. Rate 49, rate 44, pitch 17, pitch 22. Inflection 40. Volume 100. Status bar, view modes grouping, details radio but, items view, PC/at 486 with CS4031 chips at CT486-MAME 0.282 LLP64. Task Manager. Name sorted ascending. Press enter to change sorting. Header item.
Yeah, we know. Come here. Yeah, this is why, so I never told you guys this, but, I was working on a little program that, that basically is like Task Manager, but it's a lot more than that, because it's like, along with managing and closing programs, you can you can launch them actually without, like I said, you can close them, you can see how much resources they're doing, you can do a whole lot of things with this program that I've been kind of working on. Now this is still in beta, so there are some things that I have to like fix and things, but I've got a few people are working on that with me and stuff like that, so.
Open navigation. Processes data grid. Apps grouping. Level 1 main collapsed. Open processes 1 of 7 level 1.
Come here.
Settings not. Services not. Open navigation. Processes data grid. Apps grouping. Main collapsed level 1.
You know what? I'm just gonna hit Alt E to make my life easier.
PC-File Explorer. Items view list. Date modified split button collapsed. Sort. A long time. Items view list. Earlier this year grouping expanded. PC 1 of 1. Items view list. Earlier this year grouping expanded. PC 2 of 2.
Crap, hold on.
YouTube live. Run dialog. Selection removed. OL. Apple 2. tar-file explorer. Items view list. Yesterday grouping expanded. Apple 2 not selected 1 of 2. Apple 2 tar tab selected 1 of 1. Date modified. Yesterday grouping selected. Items view list. Yesterday grouping expanded. Apple 2 not selected 1 of 1. Selected. Items view list. Yesterday grouping expanded. Console history not select. Star 2 of 40. CFG. RAM 4 of 44. A long time ago grouping expanded. Apple 2 bat 9 of 44. C. Windows Vista 32 CMD.exe. Open dialog file name, combo box, open, address back. Search, tree, items view list, a long time ago grouping expanded. Chakra.dsk not selected, a long time ago grouping expanded.
You know what, why don't we...
TT13. Echo TextTalker GS 1.3.2 MG3. Echo the second dash TextTalker Pro DOS.dsk. Echo the second dash TextTalker DOS 3.3.dsk. Echo dash Word Edit.dsk 6 of 14. Echo dash phrases.dsk 7 of 14.
Echo phrases. Okay.
Echo dash reading comprehension boot. Echo dash reading comprehension story dot manual.ds. Echo cricket training dip. Echo sound.ds. Phrases reference dot word editor.ds. Phrase echo sound dot echo cricket train manual dot echo dash reading comprehension boot dot ds echo dash phrases dot dsk echo dash word edit dot ds echo the second dash text talk echo the second dash echo text talker gs1 tt13 dot dsk chakra dot ds a long time ago chakra dot dsk 1 of 14.
What is this?
C Windows Vista 32 cmd dot exe C Windows.
Shut up. Oh yeah, I love that. And actually, I might clip all of these out where I boot that thing up and just send it to illegally cited.
Do you want slow speech while in?
No, I don't.
No, this is the Apple training disk. Do you want lessons in using the Apple while in?
Do I want what? Sure. I don't know what the hell you're talking about, but okay. It's loading some stuff into RAM, I'm assuming, although I have no idea what it's doing.
Lessons in using the Apple or repeat. Enter one of the following. 1. Getting started. 2. Overview of the Apple. 3. Reviewing the screen. 4. Apple commands. 5. Apple commands continued. 6. When the Apple stops speaking. 7. Altering the Apple pronunciation. 8. Copying disks. 9. How to initialize disks and copy files. Hit any other key to leave this program.
You know what? Let's just...
Title, copying disks. Paragraph, the copy and fit. Programs on this disk are public domain programs very similar to those you will find on your master disk that came with your computer. They have been modified by David Holiday to work better with the Apple speech. These programs run in the operating system called JAWS 3.3. JAWS has a different utility for these functions. Paragraph, the copy program on this disk is for copying whole disks. There is also a program called Copy Point Bin, which is a machine language program that is run automatically as part of the copy routine. You do not need to be concerned with it unless you want to transfer these programs to another disk.
Blank. Blank. Apple 2-file. C. Windows Vista.
Oh, it's in my terminal.
Then you must copy both the copy.
Oh shit, hold on.
Listen to
Windows
what
Vista
the computer says after each carriage return you type. Paragraph, if you have one drive, type a number 1 instead of the fourth carriage return. Then the program will tell you when to change disks. It refers to the disks as source disk and destination
Apple
disk
//
respectively. After the copy is made, the program will pause a beep and prompt you with, quote, do you wish to make another copy, quote. If you do, type the letter Y and a return. If not, type the letter N and a return, which will get you out of the program into the Apple Soft Basic environment. Then you may run other programs. Paragraph, now for a word about operating systems. Any disk that you boot must have a at
Okay.
program on it called an operating system. It provides a
Can I escape out of this? Oh, I can. Okay, good.
lessons in using the Apple or repeat. Enter one of the following. 1. Getting started. 2. Overview of the Apple. 3. Reviewing the screen. 4. Apple commands. 5. Apple commands continued. 6. When the Apple stops speaking. 7. Altering the Apple pronunciation. 8. Copying disks. 9. How to initialize disks and copy files. Hit any other key to leave this program. Ready.
Syntax error ready. E X I T syntax error ready.
What the hell you mean, syntax error ready, you some bitch? Okay, fine, I'll go into...
Task Manager. Name sorted ascending. Press enter to change sorting. Header item. Processes data grid. Apps group. Background process. Bridge communication.exe level 1. Apps grouping. Discord. 6 instances. Collapsed level 1. Google Chrome. Discord. Main collapsed level 1.
Alt-E that crap.
Processes data grid. Open navigation button. Processes data grid. C. Windows Vista. Select synthesizer dialog. Eloquence.
C. Windows System 32 CMD.exe. C. Windows System Voice American English Variant Read. Rate 65. Variant Read. Rate 65. Rate 65. Rate 6. Rate 55. Rate 50. Rate 40. Rate 55.
Close
Apple II File
terminal.
Explorer. Items view list. A long time ago. Grouping expanded. Apple II. YouTube Live 101/MP main server Whistler V2. It's the weekend and we're dinking around. YouTube. Google Chrome menu. It's the weekend and we're... OBS 32. Checkbox not checked. Enable. Mic/O button. Volume mute. Checkbox desktop grouping. Mute desktop. Checkbox not checked. Enable monitoring. Mic/O button. Volume mute. Mute checkbox desktop audio button. Grouping. Menu bar options button. Volume mute desktop audio checkbox not checked. Mic/O button. Volume mute mic/O.
Oh, right.
Mic/O button.
Duh!
Check mute button. Start virtual camera button. Stop scene transit. Start recording button.
Alright, I'm gonna actually record a segment on that.
Start recording button.
Okay, this is just a recording of me messing around with different things in the MAME emulator. For example, I can just
It's the weekend and we're...
no, not that. That's
Apple
my
II File Explorer.
that's my Google Chrome tab.
Web. Apple II.bat 9 of 44.
I can just run this thing.
C. Windows System 32 CMD. Open dialog. File name.
And yes, that thing just said Fistum because there's a story behind that. Which well, basically if you use a Samsung and you use the Australian male voice, which is Australian Voice 2 under the Voices menu, it says Fistum instead of System, so kind of as a running joke I put Fistum in my NVDA dictionary. And yes, I'm also using Eloquence. I did not get a license from Code Factory, and I'm not planning on doing that anytime soon. If I really need, well, I might do it if I desperately need Eloquence for Sappy, but if I really need to use Eloquence with a program, if it supports a screen reader, then I'll just use NVDA or JAWS, because I'm not paying a subscription for Code Factory nonsense, but anyway.
Open button. File name. Combo box collapsed. Open cancel. Up. Address C. Address map. Search box. Command. Preview. Items view list. A long time ago.
Also, yes, this is a stereo mic, in case you're wearing a headset and you notice that I'm panning quite a bit. Oh, hold on. Okay. Sorry, I was adjusting myself a bit. Let me move some things really fast. Ugh. My other keyboard's getting in the way. I have no idea what that port's doing up here. Oh, that's my microphone port. Never mind. Hold on. I need to fix things. There we go. Okay. Now that I'm done with that, we can go over here.
TT13.dsk2. The Jotric.dsk. A long time ago. Grouping. The Jotric.dsk 1 of 14. TT. Echo text topper GS1.
And it's starting to rain.
Echo text topper GS 1.3.2 MG3 of 14. Echo text topper GS 1.3.2 MG3 of 14.
Oh wait, do I have
Symbol level most. Symbol level sum. Echo 2 text topper pro.dsk 4 of 4. Echo text topper GS 1.3.2 MG3 of 14. C. Windows System Apple //E Apple IIe MAME 0 C. Windows System 32cmd.exe C. Windows System 32cmd.exe terminal.
Oh, you had the MAME window open for a second. What happened to you?
Apple II File Explorer items.
Come here.
C. Windows System. YouTube Live. OBS 30. It's the weekend and we're dinkin. Apple II File Explorer items view list a long time ago.
Okay, fine.
C. Windows System.
Then I'll reload.
YouTube Live.
Yeah.
OBS.
Yes, I'm also streaming
Apple
right
II
now on YouTube.
What's new? Apple II.Bat 9. Windows Terminal. C. Windows System 32cm.
This is just
Open dialog. File name combo. Open can. Address. 3 items view date mod a long time ago. TT13. Echo text topper. Echo 2 text topper. Echo text topper. GS 1.3.2 MG3 of 14.
Wait, isn't that the one that I just tried to launch?
Echo 2 text topper pro DOS.dsk 4 of 14. Echo 2 text topper DOS 3.3.dsk 5 of 14. Echo 2 text topper pro DOS.dsk 4 of 14. Echo 2 text topper DOS 3. Echo word edit.dsk 6 of 14.
Echo word edit?
C. Windows System
Question?
Apple //E Apple IIe MAME.
Yeah, remember those sounds? I don't know how they got those sounds. I believe that it might have come from someone who recorded their Apple II or something. And yes, this does have the Echo speech synthesizer. Well, are you gonna boot anytime soon, buddy, or are you gonna just sit there and freeze? Yeah. Maybe if I just be patient and...
Recognizing results OSA renew memory AL KCAT 0909 quit 09 KCAT AL renew memory OSave commands Apple //
Why is there no speech, damn it?
Mackenzie has joined the
manager.
channel.
Oh, look who's here.
name sorted ascending press enter to change sorting header item
Anyways.
select synthesizer dialog Seren's embedded TTS
Task Manager. Name sorted. Pitch 33.
Well, it looks like Microsoft Anna over there might be playing a certain game. I can't say which one because, reasons.
What do you mean Microsoft Anna might be playing a... Oh, you mean on your channel?
Not on mine, but...
Wait, why am I hearing myself? What the hell?
That's probably my end.
Oh.
Pitch 28. Pitch 30. Rate 40. Variant Embedded Pro. Voice Nathan. English. Variant Embedded Voice Nathan.
Voice 7. English.
Voice.
Yeah.
Voice Nathan. Voice Tom. English. United States. Processes data grid.
Yeah,
Apps
switch
grouping.
that to
Discord 6.
Tom.
Name sorted. Processes data grid. Apps. Google Chrome.
Oh, okay. By the way, I'm on Discord.
Wait, who are you talking to?
Windows Electronic 101 has joined the channel.
Yeah.
Main collapsed level 1. Main collapsed level 1. Open navigation button.
Kill MAME really quick, that way I can try to launch another disk, assuming that...
Processes. Settings. Search box. Run new tab. More app bar button. Efficiency. End task. More app bar button.
Okay.
C. Windows. Task Manager. C. Windows. Task Manager.
And I don't know why Terminal doesn't...
Question. Has Kevin...
No. He's not spawned up here, unless I was asleep in the last few minutes.
No. You can actually check the logs. It shows you everything that's happened across the server, apart from
You know what?
channel messages.
If he wants to join us, hang on.
Oh, gosh. How do you even check those?
It's a logs channel. It's exclusive to the staff members.
Oh.
Name sorted. Ascending. Press enter to change sorting header item.
Yeah, get out of here with that.
More app bar button.
Because I have it set up so that Carl logs everything.
Oh. Oh, that's what...
Apple 2 file.
Oh, that's what Carlbot is.
It also acts as a punishment system, so if people start typing in certain words that they're not supposed to type in, they could find themselves warned, and if you get 3 warnings... No, if you get a warning, you get muted. And then you get... I forgot how I set that up. I think you get muted and... If it detects a bad word, you get warned and muted and... something else.
Curse word? Like,
your message,
regular curse words?
No. No. Like racial slurs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You
Regular curse words, we've relaxed on that because...
You get muted, you get... Oh, I know what it is. It mutes you, it deletes your message, and it warns you in private messages. And if you do it 3 times, you get banned.
Ooh.
Because it automatically bans you.
Are there certain things that would be so bad that it would automatically ban you with no warning?
Unfortunately, the Carlbot system doesn't work like that. You can only have one rule. I tried to set it up so like that there's incremental punishments for 2 warnings or 3 warnings. It doesn't work like that, so that's the best that we got.
Who even developed bloody...
I don't know, but it's very, very popular.
I messaged Kevin. I hope he doesn't
Start
do
nonsense.
anything. You know what?
Well,
Maybe we should shut our mouths if he does come up here because we don't want to.
we don't want to jinx that.
Probably shouldn't.
So this time he gets disconnected from the channel. If he does it again, it would be the second time.
Also, also, why do I keep hearing the Windows 7 sounds?
That's my TT.
Oh.
Yeah, you know what?
Yeah, I've got custom sound schemes loaded, and unfortunately the headphone sounds are bleeding through.
Hang on.
No, not you, my end.
Is it my end or is it yours?
It's mine.
I mean, I can hear yours slightly, but not to the point where like it's bad. But like, not to the point where it's bad. But you know, I can slightly. Like, I can hear Duck Talk Harry bleeding through yours very slightly, but that's about it.
Date modified.
Yeah.
A long time ago. What's new.txt? Apple 2.pad 9 of 44.
I just turned the volume down a bit.
Clients have been taking crap, so that's why that's happening.
Wait, what's happening?
One of the text clients' internet connections keep taking a crap, and that's why that's going on. It just keeps logging in and out.
Oh.
Switch Apple 2.pad. Switch disk.pad 8 of 44. Apple 2.pad 9 of 44.
Yep. Kevin just got back to me. He's like, did he lift my... Hang on, let me...
It lifts itself automatically, and you only go up to 1 week.
And it's been more than a week since...
Yeah, because the options it gives you 60 seconds. It's really weird. It's really weird. It gives
Alright,
you
guys, he's probably coming back, so let's...
60 seconds, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, and 1 week. Those are the only options you're given.
Alright, guys, so he's probably coming back, so let's not
Let's not jinx it, but yeah.
What's new? Apple 2.
well,
9 of.
Alright.
we all know how we all know we have to keep our eyes on him if he does actually come back in the channel here.
Yep.
If he does it a second time, he gets disconnected from the channel. And if he comes back here and does it a third time, he's getting banned. These are not...
Yeah.
Switch disk. Apple 2. 9 of 44.
Alright, Apple 2.
Windows
Bat,
terminal.
get in
C.
here.
Windows System 32. Open dialog file name. File name. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus. Open button. Cancel. Address. C. Address. Command mod. Tree view. Gallery 1 of items view list.
Yeah,
A long time ago. TT13.dsk2 of 14. Ichoncric.dsk. TT. Echo TextLocker GS1. Echo II. Echo II. TextLocker DOS 3.3. Echo. WordEdit.dsk 6 of 14.
I wonder what this is.
C. Windows. Apple //e Apple 2 e.
Although, didn't I already try to launch this and it, like, just sat there? Not doing anything? Yes, I know, this is probably gonna make some people have flashbacks, but you know what? Illegally cited, I'm looking right at you. I'm actually making a recording of, like, me just messing around with this, and I might actually send that to him somehow. Okay, now we just wait and, hope it boots, I guess?
Recognize always Renew cat 0909 quit.
Oh, it's that. Okay, yep.
Apple //e Apple.
That is the thing I tried to boot, but it was...
Task manager.
Yeah, okay. Unless it wants to reallocate the disk, which, if it does, in that case, I'm kind of screwed, because I don't know... Yeah, no. I ain't messing with that. You know, Task Manager, this is why I see why this is... Bleh! I see why people are starting to use Blind Nerd Toolbox, which is the thing that Mason made, because it doesn't lag when it... well, BNT doesn't even launch. It just sits there and lets you control it through hotkeys.
Oh, and if you're using NVDA Alpha, it doesn't even read Task Manager.
Wait, meaning, like, there's no speech in Task Manager at all? What the fuck?
No, it just says desktop Windows YAML source. You have to actually, like, use the stable version.
Processes 1 of 7 level 1. Open processes data grid. Google Chrome 10
Fart nuggets.
Main collapsed level 1. Open net. Processes. Settings not so. Search box. Run new and task button.
And task.
More app bar button.
Now get out of here with that.
C.
Although I don't know why you can't... Because, like, I understand for in Windows emulator, like, in DOSBox and stuff like that, because, like, you can run Windows environments and whatnot, that you can't Alt F4 because that goes through to the VM or whatever you want to call it. But in MAME, especially in the Apple II section, you should be able to just... Well, I understand also why they do that, because then you don't worry about, like, accidentally closing the program on your host when...
Blank.
You know. Yeah. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting that it spawns you into a terminal window.
Apple II File Explorer.
Get out.
What's new.txt 10 of 44. Mame.eggs 11 of Apple II.
Mame.eggs.
Also, Liam Irvin, I have a bone to pick with you.
Oh god,
Why do we not have Super Liam? Why don't we have Super Liam 1.52 yet? Wink wink.
Oh wait, did you actually play that and not notice a fucking...
No. So when you start 1.51 for the first time, it says 1.52 is coming soon. Like, why would you put that there? This is why we have update checkers. Software updates are not linear. For all you know, there could be a serious security flaw that warrants a 1.51A patch.
I will be right back.
Well, I mean, he only puts that there that way he can give people a preview of what's coming in the update. There is a checker, but like it does check for updates on well, it checks for updates on startup, but there's also a check for updates option in the menu.
But that's not what this is. It's just telling you that an update is coming. Like when you start it up, and you're like, why put that there? Because it doesn't make any sense.
A lot of developers do that.
When you're doing software updates for development cycle, that update version number is not guaranteed. How many times I've seen that?
Microphone cable, I swear.
Because imagine they say 1.52 is coming, and then all of a sudden we get 1.6 instead.
Date modified.
Yeah, that would be weird.
A long time ago, grouping expanded. Apple 2.pad 9 of 44.
Alright, let's run
Windows
this
terminal.
again.
C. Windows.
Yeah.
Open file name.
Windows Fistum 32. No.
Open button. No. Cancel. Up. Address. Command. Tree. Items view list. A long time ago, grouping expanded.
Oh yeah, because System 32 is one word, it's not going to apply to that.
No, it actually does.
Oh, I know what it is. It's if you set it as a whole word.
Well, no, because I just set my type to anywhere, and it would...
Yeah, anywhere meaning anywhere in a contextual sense. It's pronunciation. But if you set it as like a whole word, it wouldn't take effect because there's like numbers attached.
Yeah.
TT13.dsk, Echo TextLocker GS1, Echo, WordEdit.dsk6, Echo, Phrases.dsk7 of 14.
I wonder what the hell this is.
C, Win Apple / E Apple 2 E MAME 0.2.
Alright, shut up. Oh. It might have frozen?
Oh yeah, Carlbot was also used to set up the reaction role thing to join the server. So
Oh.
do a lot of things with it. It's not just a moderation bot. You can do tons of it. It's kind of like Nadiko in a way.
Yeah, I was confused at first when I first joined this thing and I tried to react. I was like, do I just put a random thing in here or am I supposed to like...
It's kind of broken because it's set up by a former administrator who left the server. That was before we got rid of the mature role. So can't edit other people's messages. Well, that can't be removed, so the button doesn't actually do anything.
Yeah, because, like, I had asked,
There's two, yeah, because there's two different roles. There's the one for the members role, and then there's the reaction for the role that doesn't work anymore because it's been removed. I wouldn't, at some point, update that and try to get this thing on the onboarding server thing, but I don't know how you can do that. Like, I think you have to meet meet specific requirements to
Recognize unable to load ProDOS.
unable to load ProDOS.
Apple
The
/
fuck
Apple.
is wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with you? Fine, I'll load DOS 3.3.
Task manager.
Damn it.
Name sorted. Ascending. Press enter to change sorting header item.
Yep, and then you just sit there and lag for 10 minutes while...
Apple slash task manager. Processes data grid. Background. BusyBox multi-call binary 3 instances collapsed level 1.
What the hell is that?
Bridge communication.exe level 1. Bridge communic. Brave software update. Apps grouping. Discord. Google Chrome 10 instances collapsed. Main collapsed level.
How in the hell do I have 10 instances of Chrome?
I think it counts your individual tabs.
Ew.
Main collapsed level 1. Open nav. Settings not select. Search bar. Run new and task. More app bar button. C. Window. Apple II File Explorer. What's new.tx. Apple II. Windows Terminal. C. Windows System. Open dialog. Open can. Address band menu. Tree view. Items view. TT3. Echo text locker GS1. 3. 2MG 3 of 14. Echo II. Text locker pro DOS.dsk 4 of 14. Echo II. Text locker DOS 3.3.dsk 5 of.
I wonder what.
C. Win Apple / E Apple II main 0.283.
Oh no, I think this is also a one that gives me syntax error. Problem is, I don't know if you're supposed to input, like, DOS commands into the fucking thing, or if you're supposed to... Whoa.
Well, the Apple II was released before MS-DOS, so it would be a text-based operating system.
Yeah, except...
Released in, like, 1977.
Jesus. Yeah, except it mentions, like, DOS and Pro-DOS, so I have no idea what... Unless it's...
Because I think the operating system on the thing... I don't know if this is its official name, but I think it's called Apple DOS.
Oh yeah, because it does stand for Disk Operating System, so maybe that's why.
And...
Like
obviously it's not the same as...
syntax error ready.
Or PC DOS or anything like that,
Because you can't...
to do the same things as IBM and Microsoft.
Yeah, because you can't run JAWS for DOS on that.
Although, to be fair, all MS-DOS is basically code. Because Microsoft basically took PC-DOS, merged it together with CP/M.
Task manager.
Used it to create MS-DOS.
Name sorted. Ascending. Press enter to change sorting header item.
The hell is CP/?
CP/M was a 1980 operating system by Seattle Computers. Seattle Computer Products.
Open navigation button. Processes data grid. Background processes grouping.
No.
Apps grouping. Discord 6. Google Chrome. Main collapsed left. Open navigation button.
And I think 86 DOS also had some involvement with this, which itself was based on top of CP/M.
Yeah.
Processes 1 of 7 level 1. Settings. Search bar. Run new. More app bar button. Efficiency mode button. And task.
Kill it.
More app bar button.
Let me actually check.
C. Win.
Kill
Apple
terminal.
file.
Kill that File Explorer window.
Chat. Section multi-line. Odds 3-2.
And,
Pause recording button. Stop. Start. Stops.
and we're gonna...
Desktop. Skill sock. Steve's stats. Survive the wild. For settings. Superlium.
We're gonna just check something. Although I doubt it.
Superlium version. Superlium.
Oh yeah, no. Okay.
Choose a save slot. Press go.
But you know what? Actually, no.
Superlium.
We're not gonna... I was gonna
Pause 3-2.
grind X1's Revenge, but you know what? Nah.
Desktop.
Instead, what we're gonna do...
VMware work.
We're gonna come over here. Possibly.
VMware workstation.
There we go. We're gonna come over here.
Property page.
What happened?
It seems like it just like static or something. Not as bad as VMware, but like...
Oh, are you talking about my speech?
Yeah.
I swear if my internet is deciding now is a good time to be fucking stupid.
Power on this virtual machine button.
Is it still doing it? Because it might be...
Yeah, it's almost like as if a headphone jack is like half plugged in or something.
Shit. Hold on, let me try something.
Edit virtual machine. Upgrade this.
Okay, how about now?
Edit virtual machine settings button.
Oh crap, it's
Odds
still...
32. Final collapse dot plot. Controls menu.
It's kind of loud.
C. Windows Fist.
Why is terminal still
Odds
open?
32.
Damn.
YouTube live we want.
Let me...
Go forward button unavailable. Inbox button. Help button link. Minimize
Kevin
button.
Brinkman has joined the channel.
Maximize button. Close button. Server sidebar navigation landmark.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, good.
How are you?
I'm fine. Wait, am I able
Can you hear
to...
me?
Am I able to be heard? Excuse me.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Good to know.
I can hear you.
I can hear you, so that's...
It wasn't your audio, it was your stream that was doing that.
EU...
I just got back from program.
Server sidebar navigation
I'm
landmark.
doing good.
Is
Just relaxing on my bed. It's Friday. Thank goodness.
Help button link.
Yes. Is it still, staticking?
Inbox button collapsed.
Not anymore.
Okay, so it must have been my cable.
Huh.
Yeah, because like I said, the cable for this mic is...
Interesting.
Because like I said, the cable for this mic is very... Well, it works okay, but since it's micro USB, the prongs on that are slowly fading, so I need to either swap
Buy a
this
new
one
one.
out. Well,
That's weird. Why would that affect the stream but not your...
because my mic doubles
Well,
as...
I mean,
My mic has like a headphone jack and it can double as an output device, so that's what I'm using for...
Oh.
Yeah.
huh. Well, I hope you can buy a new one. I mean,
I have...
it costs much, but still.
Well, I don't know, because since micro USB really isn't used anymore, they might be pretty cheap.
Desktop lit.
Everything is bloody expensive for the blinds nowadays. Oh,
Yeah,
and
but-
guess what?
What's up?
This June, I'm going to the camp in Enchanted Hills.
Oh.
The music camp and an adult camp.
Oh.
Cheat engine 40.
Not that.
Change edition logs 27
I'm
of...
so happy to die.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and that's... what was I about
Are you going to camp this summer too?
No, I don't... I used to do those, but I don't do those anymore because... I just don't really have interest in those.
Sorry.
No, you did nothing wrong. I don't... I don't know what you're sorry about.
I know, I mean, I'm just letting you know. I can't wait for it, though. Seriously, it's coming up soon. June 22nd. Oh my god, that's a month away.
That's a month. Wait.
A month and a half.
Well, yeah.
A month and a half.
Yeah,
oh
cause,
boy.
Yeah, because today's May 1st.
First.
Yep.
Oh, I know, it's
Accessible YouTube down.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank goodness it's Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Audacity 106 of 107.
Yes, I have
Speaking of which, no, I know. We in private we need to talk about you teaching me that.
To give me
Audacity.
Uh.
To the Audacity. No, to teach me Audacity.
Well, I don't
know much about that.
Well, I only know I only really know how to record with it. My editing stuff, which I know basic editing, but not like.
All right, guys. I'm back. I just came back from having pizza and chicken wings. Nom, 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 nom.
Pizza. I wonder if we're having hot dogs at my group home today. Ooh, I'm curious. Pizza. Oh, don't make me hungry.
Anyway,
Oh boy.
Don't turn into Mac Fred. No, actually.
Oh Jesus. Anyway,
it's fine.
Anyway, no, as I
it's when talk to Fred too, by the way.
Yeah. Anyway, as I was bloody saying.
Oh, by the way.
Hang on.
As I was bloody saying, I only know the basics of Audacity. In Goldwave, I know basic editing. Like, actually, you know what? While we're on the topic, why don't I show you a little
Goldwave 51 of 1
something I put together?
Actually, you
Gold
don't have
control.
to, because I want to ask you something.
Okay.
For the TTS stuff and for the files, how do you do that in Audacity? I know how to do it in Goldwave. I just don't know how to do it in.
How do you do what in Audacity? I don't know.
Oh God. Paste the file into the main document. Like, for example, if you have a first line in there, and you want to put the second line in the first line, or so and so on.
I have no idea, dude.
You open a second window, and then you import
Oof.
the file that you want to actually go through. Then you...
Who said that?
Brian did. He's actually able to...
Oh, hi, dude.
You're gonna go to...
Can I show you guys that I made a mashup earlier today? It doesn't have copyrighted stuff in it. It's a Super Liam one, actually.
Okay, well, hold on. Let me go back into...
It's the weekend and we're... Windows 2000...
What you do is you open a second Audacity window, then you import it, import the file that you want to put in there. You cut that, and then you go back to the first one. You end to the end of the first track, and then you hit Control V to paste. If you're using anything after 3.4.2, though, it will try to mess with the beats per minute sometimes. So I recommend 3.4.2 if you're going to be doing stuff like that.
Nah, screw that. I just use Goldwave for...
Because what I do is I put the first line in and the second line in. But if I want the glitch effects and the breakdown effects, kind of like how Alex and the other YouTubers do, yeah.
Can I show you guys what I made today?
Sure. I guess, yeah, that's fine.
Let me...
Upgrade this virtual machine button.
Oh yeah,
It's
I was in VMware and I was gonna nuke things.
Obs 3.2.
Because nuking things is... Bless. Wait, are you allergic to VMware? No.
No.
YouTube Libby 101.
Alright, get over here.
Help button.
Very
Maximize
funny.
close servers tree
Very funny.
click of wait net rate win clickable Mackenzie but clickable Kevin Brinkman but clickable Mackenzie live clickable button Kevin Brinkman
No,
button,
it's
clickable live channels
let me
clickable button Kevin Brinkman Mackenzie auto edit button collapsed at energy
I'm
button
trying
collapsed
to-
at energy A heading level 1 Mackenzie's profile clickable button no clickable button collapse clickable button view full graphic Mackenzie 9 button Mackenzie
Hello?
clickable button add no button clickable user badges group out of grouping button button to mutual search
hold on.
button message button call region heading list with one item clickable button view all streaming
It's
live,
really nice to
button
hear your
collapse
voice
more,
for its
heading
first
level 3
time.
streaming button watch stream
Windows
Join-
Electronic
document, YouTube
101,
101 /
aka Brian.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, the reason why he isn't always able to use his microphone is... Just explain it to him, because I...
So, this computer's fan is very temperamental. A lot of the times when it gets really hot in here, this thing will just give out and it will just shut down randomly. So what I have to do is I have to occasionally, more often than not, have a fan, like a box fan running in the background to cool this one off.
That's weird.
Who quit on the screen share? Whoops.
I started watching.
Oh. Alright.
Alright.
Anybody else on my screen share? Because I'm...
I don't know. Oops, I'm playing Night Manager. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
But this is what I made. 3, 2, 1, and...
What is that?
That's the iOS TV's ringtone and it's William level 7. Oh, I have to read. Let me read.
I don't think I'm watching it. Hold on. Oh shoot, where do I go?
You go to the font button. No.
What?
I'm done.
iOS.
Lol. Lol.
Well, it also depends on what platform you're running on too. Like I don't know. Can you do that on mobile? I don't.
I think you can.
Yeah, you can watch screen share on mobile. I've done that before.
Hey Dan and Mackenzie, just out of curiosity, when are they gonna add Macintosh Alex for Windows? I mean,
They're never gonna do that.
That's no.
Okay, so the reason why we have the voices that we do now is because this was actually based off of a Windows port of Macintosh 3, which is the same one that has Vocal Writer.
And you aren't gonna get Victoria and Agnes and Bruce either.
Yeah,
jeez.
Those are posts. I think these voices are based off of like System 7 or something. So it's not gonna
System 7.
And the pronunciations and inflections are very different from the modern macOS versions.
Yeah.
Well, I still like the way to talk about. It's just, it feels weird without Alex and all the other. It feels weird.
Yeah, Alex was introduced in Leopard. Fred was default until Tiger, and then they got Victoria to do it instead. Then after that, they switched.
I thought it was Vicky.
No, I think it was Victoria.
I thought...
Default for OS 10 Tiger.
I thought that they were the... I mean... I don't know. Vicky and Victoria sound the same to me, so I don't know.
That's because they technically are. In fact, in Mac OS 9, Vicky is literally named Victoria High Quality.
I don't know why they named her Vicky though.
Probably because it's short.
Don't ask me.
Shorthand Victoria and avoid causing confusion, I guess.
I guess.
But, like, why have both there then?
Because one sounds slightly different than the other one. It's like the Sappy 4 versus Sappy 5 situation, but a little less nuanced than that.
Oh.
Question about it. Question about the stretch effect for the swan thing that Hannah said, because I remember I messaged you about that. Could you do that in Gold Wave?
What?
I don't know, because I don't have that. So.
You can get it from Blind Help. That's where I got mine from.
No.
I completely forgot the parameters that you have to do for that anyway. I tried to recreate it and I got some sort of like echo reverb thing.
Parameters in like what do you mean parameters?
Using the pulse stretch effect in Audacity to make text-to-speech voices whisper.
But yeah, this is what I did. Liam is so going to hate me for this. Sorry, Liam.
He don't even know my channel to begin with, so I don't know if he knows about that. But you know what? I might just...
Well, he knows about me because I follow him on Mastodon.
Well, okay.
Clickable kit button.
I might be in some serious trouble.
I mean, not really, but okay.
I'm just being.
You too, Flip.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Okay, how do I go
Mackenzie
to?
has stopped streaming.
Well, I quit the stream now.
Oops, sorry.
I'll send it to you on Discord.
Mackenzie, if you don't mind, later, could I get the onward cloud thingy for the acapella voices?
It's.
Yeah.
Although I will warn you, dude, it's gonna take you a very long time to download it.
Yeah, and it's because...
It's fine.
Yeah, it's because it's based off of a home connection that Nash is running, so...
It's fine. At least it'll be downloaded.
Okay then. Anyway, yeah, let's nuke things in VMware because nuking things is fun.
Control. Record new.
Oh jeez.
Multiple streams running simultaneously.
Oh jeez.
Only listen to one at once.
Yeah, who
Did you guys hear about this new game called? Did you guys hear about this new game called Playoral?
Yeah, Chris did a thing about that.
Yes, I actually play it. It's pretty cool.
Volume.
I like it.
Balance. Speed. Edit. Read only selected. Record new.
Oh yeah, but let me
I
show
like
you a
it.
little.
Gold new.
Awesome.
CTRL.
It does have a mobile version, but it's only available on Android, and for some stupid reason.
It's because. Can I tell you why?
Hang on, I know why. But, and for some stupid reason, it doesn't like it when I use other TTS engines besides Desktop for some reason. Yeah.
Also, who joined my screen share a while ago?
Open.
No,
I don't know.
when
But there's another reason why, though, Mackenzie. It's because you know why they don't want people to use Apple for you know why they don't want to put it in Apple? It's because they don't want to pay the $99 fee for a year.
Yeah,
That's just ridiculous.
Yeah, $100. Well, at least Tim Cook's going, so that could be subject to change.
Also,
I want to do app developing. I want to do app developing, but I want someone to sit with me, and so I could get tutored. I'd actually want someone to sit with me, and yeah.
I don't know how to make apps. The best people you could ask are Sam and some others, but...
Yeah, I know, but some people that make iPhone games, because that'll be cool, because I want to make iPhone games, Android, and PC games.
Well, for iPhone games, you'd have to pay the $99 fee for frickin'...
I know.
Open
And I'm
URL.
gonna have to
Open.
talk to
CTRL
my...
plus O.
I'm gonna have to wait till Monday, because she said we'll take a look, but I haven't heard about that ever since I asked her if we could try, but I don't know where she is. She's not working on Fridays, sadly.
Anyway, who is on my screen share?
C.
Because we're gonna dink around.
Yeah, when you
what time is... Yeah? What? Already? Jesus Christ, are you serious? It's already that late?
Control. Pane.
God. Okay, I'll have this dinner.
7:58 p.m.
Jesus, it's already 7:58 over here.
What the heck is this? Oh. It's a coin. Okay. Yeah, I have to go.
Okay.
It's dinner time. Hate that. Yeah. I'll come back.
You have to eat to live.
No, I'm done.
Okay, I'll see you guys later. Actually, I don't know if I'll be able to get back on. I don't know.
We should be able to, because you're not.
I wish it was pinned to the top. Yeah, I know, but I wish it was pinned to the top. because it's hard to find. It was hard for me to even get in. I was trying to find it and get in.
It's structured with different categories. If it was pinned to the top,
Yeah,
it'd be
and it's
confusing.
yeah, it's so confusing. Oh,
Anyway.
oh my God, I better go.
Speech mode off. Speech mode.
Wait, why
Snip
can't
capture
I...
menu grouping. Press enter key.
Oh, what?
Control.
Oh,
Record.
stupid snipping tool. Get out with that. Get.
No, apparently when you have...
Kevin Brinkman has left the channel.
Apparently when you have multiple...
Context menu.
...going on Discord, even though that's possible, when you are, joining another screen share, it kicks you out of the other one.
Well, ew.
Monitor input. M. Unbounded. U. Monitor. Timer. T. Level activated. Dictation mode. Bounded to selection. Bounded and loop. Unbounded. Monitor input. M. Control. Record new.
You know what? Why don't
Gold
we
new.
just, Okay, reset
C, use-
files.
Stream intro.
Oh, jeez. Why is it always my damn job to clean up the messes?
If you're wondering where I got those from, that's from Cascade.
Odds 3-2.
Oh yeah.
YouTube.
Why don't we just go over
Windows
to
2.
VMware?
Devices button. Upgrade this virtual. Edit virtual machine set. Power on this virtual machine button. Tree view. Windows 2000.
Oh yeah, I was gonna modify the VM. I'll do that later.
Windows me not select. Level 0. Windows 2000. Windows 3. Windows XP. Windows 8. Windows 90. Windows 2000. Linux Mint not. Windows NT 4.0 not selected. 9 of 14 level 1.
Wait, okay, hold on.
Windows 2000 Professional not selected. 7 of 14 level 1.
There's Windows 2000 Professional.
Windows 90, Windows XP, Windows 3. Windows 2000 Professional 2 of 4.
And then there's that one. Why is there two Windows 2? Oh, maybe because the...
There's, I think for some of these operating systems, there's like 2 or 3 different variations of the same thing. Because there's the Europod version, there's the WinWorld version, and there's the other version, the custom one that Jake made.
Maybe that's... Or, well... Maybe it's
Also,
because...
Windows XP Professional X64 Edition, if you want to use that, there's a password for that one.
That's...
The password is literally just password.
That's weird. I've been able to log onto that one just fine, and I never had to enter a password.
Yeah, because I was like, why is this password protected? Why would you put this up here when it's a password protected? So I started guessing passwords for some reason, and something told me to type in password, and that logged me in for some reason.
Anyway, where's
Windows
my damn Windows NT?
Level 0 my computer.
Oh, that's home.
Stormax with i3 not. Stormax. Windows 10X. Windows 98. Mac OS. Windows NT 4.0 not selected. 9 of 14 level 1.
Come here.
Property page Windows NT 4.0 author. Power on this virtual machine button.
Yeah, we're gonna mess with this old clunky piece of shit.
Pain.
That only boots when it wants to. Well, I mean, it boots all the time, but it only actually starts up and gives me my damn logon screen when it wants to. And it only logs me in when it wants to. Because it's a bastard.
Recognizing window. Please select the operate Osloader U for pain.
Oh, I'm gonna Osloader U.
Yeah, the NVDA Alpha, aside from not reading Task Manager, if you're in VMware and you use the window for a while, if you are on the desktop with VMware and Alt-Tab to another window, the caps lock key does not function as an NVDA key anymore. You have to restart NVDA to fix that. Beyond that, the error sound plays randomly. And you don't have speech interrupting things anymore. So you have to wait for it to finish speaking the previous thing before it speaks the next thing. And it also does not OCR fails now. Like, whenever you try to do an OCR scan, it fails. Always.
Granted, if Microslop would just fix Magnifier, then you wouldn't be in that situation. But Microslop doesn't care about us anymore, unfortunately. They went back to the way they used to be in Windows XP. Oh, wait, what the hell?
And for some reason, they're apparently focusing...
Recognize it. Window 2x, Team X, TX, T, begin log pane.
Yeah. And then smash enter.
This is what's weird. Windows K2 is not a new version of Windows,
Numlock on.
nor a new version of Windows 11. It is apparently the code name for the initiative to fix Windows 11. I'm like, what?
Anyway, we're gonna try this whole
Numlock. Menu bar.
CD
Pane.
thing again.
Menu bar. Edit alt view VM power sub removable devices submit CD / connect C. Windows NT 4.0 VMware work. Numlock on.
JAWS for Windows setup dialog. JAWS for Windows network setup button. Explore CD button. View readme button. Cancel button. JAWS for Windows setup button. JAWS for Windows network setup button. JAWS for Windows setup button.
Oh yeah, you have that. You didn't have that in 3.1. You had to... not 3.31. God damn.
JAWS for Windows network setup button. JAWS for Windows setup button.
We're just gonna smash enter on that.
Someone actually literally sat there and recorded the different UI elements.
Well, granted, you gotta keep in mind, this is an installer, and this is where, you know, this is in case people don't have another reader on their computer. So...
Yeah, but I mean, text-to-speech would have been more efficient. WAV files tend to be huge.
And this was also back in the day when every single file was tiny.
Oh, I mean, WAV files have always been huge, so they've always been known to take up like 10 to hundreds of megabytes of space just for like 30-second, 1-minute audio files.
Numlock off.
JAWS for sure that all applications including screen readers and magnification programs are shut down before continuing with this installation. To begin installation.
Space back then, like you do now. If you were lucky, you usually had like...
Oh, and it closed. Fuck.
What? Like a 2 gigabyte hard drive? And that's if you were really lucky. Usually you have like 500 megabyte drives or something.
Menu bar. Context menu. Pane. Menu bar. File edits up VM removable devices submit CD floppy submit CD setting disconnect. Windows NT 4.0 VMware workstation pane. Menu bar. File edits view VMs power sub menu P. Shutdown Windows NT 4.0 VMware workstation pane.
Okay, so I almost got it to work. That was stupid shit.
Task manager. Name sorted, ascending. Press enter to change sorting header item.
Oh yeah, and then you'll have times where you'll turn speech off, and then after a while having speech off, you turn it back on only to realize speech has completely given up.
You?
I mean, maybe I'm being a bit too harsh on this. It is an alpha program, but like, you should not have to... This is a prime example why you don't run an alpha as your primary screen reader.
Yeah.
Processes data grid. Apps grouping. Discord 6 Google Chrome. OBS Studio collapsed level 1. Background. Antimal. GW.
Yes, watch as I just smash the crap out of the arrow key to...
Host process for Windows tasks level. HP3 instant. HP1. ETD control. LR service. Discord system help. Discord system. Diags cap.net. CDF. Credential guard and VBS key isolation level 1.
Oh yeah, Vocalizer pronounces Discord as Discord.
That's weird. On iOS it doesn't, but on fucking PC it does.
Because I think the PC version is older. That's why.
Ew.
CDF loader level 1. Credential guard and...
They haven't updated Vocalizer for Windows since 2017, I believe.
Jesus Christ.
VisiSonics VisiSonic. VMware NAT service. VMware tray process. VMware USB arbitrary. VMware VNet. Windows audio device. Windows driver. Windows input experience.
Where's my goddamn VMware workstation VMX?
VMware USB arbitration. VMware tray process. VMware NAT service. VMware authorization service. 30. VisiSonics window. Utility service collapsed.
God damn it.
User mode font driver host.
Oh well, maybe it's further.
Windows driver. Windows WinGetConf. WMI performance. WMI Windows processes. Client server run. Desktop. Local service. Registry level 1. Secure system level 1.
Oh yeah, we're not going through that.
VMware background processes grouping. VisiSonic. VMware authorization service. VMware NAT service. VMware tray process. VMware USB. VMware VNet. DH. Windows audio device. Windows driver. Windows driver.
Oh, I guess it actually decided to shut down
Windows
and not... Okay, well.
Task manager.
That's weird.
YouTube Lively 101.
Alright, now I'm gonna actually do something.
Run dial
or
blank.
Make an attempt at doing something anyway.
So if you thought the illegal operation Windows
Text. Documents. Items view.
Another system error that you can get, which I believe is still in Windows XP if you're running like some sort of like 16-bit Windows application, and it usually has to do with programs performing quote-unquote illegal instructions.
Ew.
Yeah, so.
BGT Games 2 of 25.
Oh yeah, I need to
Virtual machine.
VMs.
Items view list. Linux Mint not selected 1 of 15. Windows 8.15. Windows 98.mf10. Win7.com. Windows NT 4.08 of 15.
Not that one.
Windows 2000 Professional 7 of 15. Windows 2000
Come here.
Items view list. VMware.log 2 of Windows 2000. Windows 2000 Professional.vmx 7 of 8.
Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot I have an applications key on this keyboard, so I can just smash that.
Context menu.
In certain situations, that's actually useful because Shift F10 doesn't always work. Let's say you're in a task scheduler and you want to like delete a task, you can't use Shift F10 to actually bring up that menu, even though there's a right-click menu for that.
Yep, and if Staples would stop cursing people with laptops with the Copilot key, then we would not be in this situation.
Open with VMware Workstation. Oh.
Staples, it's everybody's doing it now. Which is useless because not only is the key not productive, but it's also not original either. All the Copilot key is enacting is a simulated keyboard shortcut to Windows Shift F23.
And we don't even have 23 function keys anymore.
Well, no, but if you technically hold down Shift, you get access to F13 through F24, so they really mean Windows Shift F11.
Unlock with file locks. Edit a note. Edit a notepad. Windows 2000 Professional. File Explorer. Items Notepad. Start. Windows 2000 Professional.vmx. Modified tab selected for of 29.
I did not modify you to get out.
Blank. ID1. 0. Start connected equals false. Blank. blank, blank. Blank, caret, quote, caret, blank.
Alright, we're gonna... sound.virtual... Yeah.
D.
Virtual dev... Oh, wait, was I supposed to capitalize any of that?
I'm not sure if it's case sensitive or not.
Is it PCI sound or just sound? Because I haven't screwed with VMXs in a while, so I don't know how they work.
V.
The only one I'm aware of that absolutely works is SB16 in all lowercase with quotes, but I don't know what the other parameters are.
No, I mean, like, is it PCI.sound or PCI sound.virtualdev, or is it just sound.virtualdev? Just so I don't screw things.
I think it's just sound.virtualdev.
Okay.
You might want to check and make sure that that's already there, because if it sees two of them, it could get confused.
E. D. L. A. U. T. R. I. V. Dot. D. N. U. O. S.
I don't think...
Blank, blank, blank.
In fact, what you can do is you can use Control H to do find and replace if it's already there.
ID1, USB, USB, soft power off equals true. Clean shutdown equals true. Monitor.5 bits used equals 43. C0.id equals 398,000,2001. Ethernet 0. Generated address offset equals 0. Ethernet 0. Motion.
Why in the hell is there Ethernet stuff in here? You can't even connect Win2K to Muttonnet.
Motion.checkpoint, SCSI 0, EC.PCI slot, sound.PCI slot number equals 34.
There are virtual Ethernet drivers. Technically, that's what it's using, because if you notice, if you pay attention to the network drivers inside virtual machines, it doesn't treat your connection as a Wi-Fi driver, it treats it as an Ethernet driver.
Yeah, that's what I've been told.
Ethernet 0.PC, USB.P, SCSI 0.PCI, PCI bridge 6.PCI, PCI bridge 7.PCI slot number equals 24.
What the hell is PCI bridge?
I think that's a networking thing.
I don't care about the forecast for the next 3 days. You can get out of here with that, Google.
PCI bridge 5. PCI bridge 4. PCI bridge void dot location equals 56.4D void dot spot numa dot autosize dot numa dot autosize dot.
If you ever want to do certain builds or certain beta builds from like the Windows NT 5.0 and Whistler era, you actually have to type in at the end of that. It's something that doesn't exist. ACPI.present space equals space quote, then all caps, I believe, false, end quote, and then you have to press enter again. Because there's a bug with ACPI that could freeze the entire setup.
Back in my day, we had dot. No. Okay, I'm done.
RAM size stats.file name blank. Floppy 0.present equals false. Extended config file equals Windows 2000 professional.vmxf. Serial 0.present equals true.
Oh, Jesus, serial ports.
Ethernet 0.present.
Can you believe that my old PC probably still has serial ports? I mean, it has COM ports, apparently.
I mean, you had to use serial mice until 1987, because Windows 1.0 didn't have support for that because it didn't exist yet. USB was not a standard until 1987.
Huh. When did flash drives become a thing, I wonder?
Serial 0.file name equals finprint.
They were around in the XP days, but they weren't really that popular because USB 1.0 speeds.
Yeah, because that's why things like the Apex would refer to it as a...
I don't even think we had like USB speeds that were even tolerable for things like flash drives until Windows 98 SE.
Yeah, because that's weird, because every bloody USB device, or at least USB audio device that I try to plug into a VM, a Windows 2000 VM, it brings up the bloody dialogue that wants you to connect to the bloody internet so it can try to find drivers for the thing that you just inserted. I'm like, Dude, there are no drivers for my...
Yeah. Well, actually, the add new hardware wizard, if you select manual, because there is a manual list you can choose from that has a preset list of like offline drivers to install, which I don't know why they're not already installed in the system to begin with, but they're not.
Although the mixer that I tried to use with that VM is plug and play, so I don't know why it's bringing up that dialogue, so...
Because that's what that used to do until Windows Vista. In fact, you'd get this dialogue in numerous Longhorn builds. You'd like it found new hardware all the time and pre-reset Longhorn builds.
Jesus.
Serial 0.file type equals finprint. Ethernet 0.address type equals Ethernet 0.connect. Go.graphics. EC.present equals true.
Wait, what?
Carriage E-H-C-I dot.
Oh, yeah. I thought it was talking about ECI,
Kevin
the
Brinkman
frickin'...
has joined the channel.
Welcome back.
USB.pres...
Oh, someone's muted.
Hello.
Oh! Jesus. That was...
Did I scare you?
Yeah, you did.
Sorry.
That's fine. Multiple people have done that to me throughout the 16 years of my life.
I'd 1, 0.present equals true.
Wait, you're 16?
Yeah.
I'd 1, 0.file name equals auto detect.
I'd 1.
Wait, no, how old are you really?
16.
You're not 16.
Yes, I am.
Nuh-uh.
If I could show you my birth certificate, then I would, but you know what, let's just not.
Okay. I believe you now. But you sound like you're my age, 24.
Yeah, people do say that I do have a deep voice, but...
I'd 1, 0.file name equals auto detect.
For some reason, I almost thought you were older than that, but...
Yeah, same.
I'd 1, 0.device type equals drum raw. I'd 1, 0.
Same.
SCSI 0. SCSI 0.
I almost
SCSI
thought
0.
you
present
were
equals
like 25 or 27.
mem size equals 1020.
Or even
Sound.file name
24.
equals -1. Sound.auto detect equals true.
Sound.file name equals -1? Ew.
Oh, dude, you're 24?
Yeah, I'm already 24. My birthday just passed. What?
Sync time equals
On
power
Tuesday?
type dot reset.
Not
Power
this
type
Tuesday,
dot
but
suspend.
last
Power type
Tuesday.
dot power type dot dot encoding equals Windows.
Oh wait, that was Control Home.
I went bowling
meant to...
on my birthday.
Nice.
Select synthesizer old ED eloquence.
Star Windows 2000.
When did I modify that? I did not do anything to that.
Star
Wait,
Windows.
where's old eloquence? Because doesn't old eloquence have? Doesn't old eloquence have Rocco? And the other
Old Eloquence, well, this add-on does, surprisingly enough. Yeah.
Variant, void variant, Rocco. Rate 50. Pitch 52.
Where can you find that? Can you send me it? Is it for Sappy 4?
No, it's an add-on. Give me one fat minute.
Rate 50. Variant, Rocco.
Is there a way you can show me tell me the steps?
Hold on.
Brave.
Let me
blind BF brave.
Pull it up in my browser, that way I know.
Indexive /
That's
indexive black. Welcome to Europe.
Okay.
Is it Data Jake again?
No, it's... Well, he has a version of that, but that one's incompatible. It's...
EURPOD.
EURPOD dot
COM.
Hold on. Slow down. I gotta get to my computer. Slow down.
Okay.
I was just bouncing on my bed. Now I'm going to my computer.
Those guys are still around? What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Archives of VMs inside of Jake's site for that platform.
Whoa!
EU.
E-speak? Ugh.
Okay, so I'll switch it. Come on, calm down.
We're just messing around,
No,
bruh.
I know, but we're just... Yeah.
Okay, EU.
EU,
R.
R.
P-O-D.
P-O-D.
EUROD.
No, P-O-D.
Ew, uBlock origin blocks Europod.com?
What?
Dot.
Dot.
C-O-M.
Com, and then...
M.
Oh, yeah. And then press enter.
Sorry, my phone was talking over me.
Oh.
Suspicious slight block.
Oh, yeah, Spectrum sucks for that very reason.
I guess I can't get it then.
It's not HTTPS. You have to do things like download Tor and stuff just to access it.
Or...
Unless you know how to disable the router.
Well, yeah, but if you disable the fucking...
Or one of us could Google Drive it.
No, as in like disable, because apparently this is an AI feature that they've impacted into their router.
What do I do?
We can Google Drive.
Voiceover, quiet.
The easiest thing for you to do would be to install Tor and then open a new Tor.
Ah, voiceover, hush. There. I turned my speech off.
Yeah, nice.
Better.
What are you using? Eloquence right now?
No, I think he's using Alex, or eSpeak or something.
eSpeak. Nguyen.
Are you sure it's Europod.com?
No, on your phone.
Yeah, it's it's yourpod.com, because that's what I...
Are you using eSpeak on your phone?
Why did it try to redirect me to WUIPEN.com?
Hold on, let me... What bloody browser are you using by chance?
Chrome.
Well, I'm using... Brian said he's using... I'm using Brave 2.
Europid.com. Europid.com selected. Welcome to
Hey,
Europid.
we have a 3 for 3. All 3 of us are using Brave.
See, that's weird. I don't know why... I don't know why it directed you to...
Because it's weird. It came up with a uBlock warning, then it let me proceed, and then this message appeared.
Wait, UPod or Europod?
It's EURPOD.com.
Oh, that's why. I put an O in there.
Ah, there you go.
What the?
I have no idea that.
Someone spelled something wrong.
Yeah, don't put an extra O at the end of that. That's what the problem was.
That was a mistake. Oh my god, why did...
Okay, so then I think you want to go...
Software?
No, I think it's got something to... Well, maybe... Yeah, software, I think, actually. Let me actually go on there and so I can...
List with my follow Piper voice.
Oh wait, no, it's not Piper voice. It's not software. It's it's Piper voices.
Piper voices and other retro NVDA speech synthesizers.
Hold on.
Yep, and then it'll.
Okay, link. Is it a link or a heading?
Here. Just follow along with me, and I'll.
Retro voices. Best speech. Keynote Go Eloquence 3.3 heading level 3.
Okay, now you want to navigate by link.
Eloquence 3.3.
You want the one that says Eloquence 3.3?
So there's two.
No, you want 3.3.
That's where I'm at.
Okay, and now
Download old eloquence for NVDA 2025.exe.
you want... Yep, you want that, because the 24 version ain't compatible, and it's a 32-bit add-on, which 25 can't support for some reason. And now it should download.
2025 is 32. 2025 is 32, but it's 2026 you're talking about.
Well, that's weird, because I tried...
Okay.
Okay, it should be downloading now, and then you just go into whatever folder it saves in, and you can install the add-on as you normally do.
Yep, I already did that.
Alright, nice.
It's wanting me to restart NVDA, so I'm gonna do that.
Alright, cool.
Let me do that.
Okay.
I wish the add-ons were supported with Star.
There is a Star NVDA add-on, but I wouldn't use it.
Yeah, but wait, Brian, slow down. But I want it for my local server, not for the C Diffusion one.
Yeah, I know. I was about to say there is a Star Coagulator NVDA add-on somebody decided to make, but
Can you show me? Can you do a video call with me, Brian, so we could do this?
Link 2020.
Well, see, the thing is, I actually don't have that add-on, and I actually wouldn't recommend getting it, because not only does it lag out, because it's depending on network connectivity.
I have network.
I know, well, yeah, but it's talking to a server and sending it back.
To...
So it's gonna be very laggy. And on top of that, it's a security risk, because apparently Star has a glitch sometimes.
Okay, but...
With the audio of your screen reader.
You don't get it. Okay.
The audio output gets sent to your screen reader, can sometimes get sent back to the host of whoever was providing the voice instead of...
Okay, then what do I do? Some SOL then?
It's a security risk. I wouldn't advise...
I wouldn't even run it locally, because you can't with the NV. It's even a security risk if you run it locally, I think.
I don't know.
If you run it locally, I think you're fine, but I don't even know how you would do that.
Can we just give it a try before I even give up?
Bruh.
I'm sorry. I feel like I'm gonna give up here.
Well...
I'm sorry. Ugh. Ugh.
I'm not exactly sure how...
Sorry, I just feel like I'm gonna give up. So, what could I do?
I don't know.
And my voice is echoing. I hate that.
Yeah, we can't do anything about that.
So what can I do to get the add-ons on local server?
I don't know, because I don't know about all of that.
Yeah, I'm not you might want to talk to Sam about that one.
Yeah, that's a Sam question.
Can someone give me a call when you can answer? Because I don't know when I'm gonna get a response.
We don't know either.
Oh, man. I guess I'm gonna have to message him then.
Click here for
Unless you guys want to try.
Speech clock change. Select seat for this speech.
Oh God.
NVDA set. Normal configuration macro P1 right parenthesis. Property date. Synthesizer grouping.
That's just his. That's
It
just.
sounds weird. No, I know, but it just sounds weird.
Yeah, it does sound weird when it's coming through laptop speakers, which are being suppressed by an iPhone.
American English. American English.
Why is it Ray doesn't sound normal?
It's Wade.
That's not Reed. That's Wade, not Reed.
That's how version 3.3 behaves.
Where's Reed? Where's Reed?
It didn't exist.
He did not exist back then. Yeah, he did not exist.
Eloquence
back
3.3 was from like the 90s, so
90 something.
yeah, 1990 something something.
90.
When did Reed start?
4.7.
Wait, 1995 or 2005?
Reed started. Yeah, I don't know. I know it was Eloquence 4.7 that was.
Yeah, it's 4 point something.
Lighter 50 R. Lighter 60 in collection. Lighter 30.
No, I need that add-on. That's so cool.
Stop. Download history. Google Chrome window. Download history document. People all build when 2025 and bro one out one.
By the way, after 2025.x, I would not use blind help vocalizer anymore, and Dan, tell him why.
Because, well, number one, I think that's a 32-bit add-on, and number two, Blind Help does not give one single crap about updating their catalog.
Well, where else can we go? Because that's stupid.
Well, surprisingly, 2026.2 has a beta copy of the Teflotania voices, but unfortunately that's a trial.
And Tiflotechnia's...
Purchase it! And you have to purchase it!
Which is...
Okay, Dad, I don't have the money. God.
Well, not entirely, because there is another option.
Because, like, there's...
Oh, God.
The thing that I have, actually...
Hacking into the freaking system?
No.
Oh, yeah, because...
No, there's actually another vocalizer add-on that you can use.
Yeah, and also 2026.x adds support for both 32-bit and 64-bit SAPI 5.
But, actually, Dan, show him how this thing works.
Okay, so basically, assuming you have...
Hold on, one question.
What's up?
I've noticed when I was trying to install the updated version of Natural SAPI adapter, I don't know if it's new, but I was trying to install it right and everything, but there's files are missing, and now none of the SAPI 5 narrator voices on my computer are working. I suspected the narrator ones.
Okay, so the latest updates for Windows 11 25H2 actually break that. It's the same time that they introduced Ava and Andrew, apparently they changed the decryption key. So, we have to wait for an update for that.
Is there a way to get...
Assuming it's not discontinued.
I mean, he hasn't made I wouldn't go saying that it's discontinued unless the developer makes an official announcement.
I wouldn't
So
be surprised if it was. Hang on. I wouldn't be surprised if they decided to discontinue it after a while because of all of.
Because I have it apparently, but none of the voices work. None of the.
Yeah, they're not speaking.
Yeah, they don't because the decryption key's been changed.
So now what? I'm SOL. Should I just delete the whole program?
Well, I mean.
I'm feeling disgusted at my computer now. I'm ready to give up.
Bruh.
Dude,
I'm feeling
we've told
disgusted.
Braylab bad
I
updated.
feel like giving up.
Anyway, back to the topic of the. Do you know how to watch screen share? There's a show. Where would we find the?
I think it's in bloody.
On mobiles?
I think it's in. Oh god, I think it's in show settings drawer and then. I don't know, it's been a while since I've like actually done screen share on Discord, so I can't.
Wait a minute, let me try something.
So, let's show everybody how this new thing works. I found it thanks to somebody else, but let's show everybody how this works.
Yeah, so basically what you can do is if you go, well, assuming you have the add-on installed, which in Kevin's case you don't.
NVDA menu.
You go into your NVDA menu and then Tools.
View log L.
And then I believe if you just hit up arrow to go to the bottom.
Siren's TT's voice manager.
Yep, there's that.
That's Siren's TT. So.
And then you press enter on that.
TT's voice manager dialog.
So let's explain what we need to get first if we were going to install this as a fresh thing because.
Yeah, so apparently this comes in a tar file, or at least that's how I got my copy.
Well, I compressed it that way.
Oh.
I have a 7-zip and a zip version.
Wait, what's this for? The Happy 5 narrator thingies?
No, it's for vocalizer.
No, this is.
So, hang on.
I have a question then.
What?
Sorry, I hate to. Oh, how do I get those voices working again?
You have to wait for an update to SAPI adapter.
To update, yeah, you have to wait for the developer to update it. Now, alternatively, to get Aria, Jenny, and Guy, and voices like that, there is an Azure add-on, or not an add-on, I should say. There is there is an add-on for that.
Yeah, there's Neural Voices add-on, but.
But.
I need SAPI 5.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. There is a separate thing for SAPI 5 where they're offline installers. They operate independently from the narrator thing. So
yes, but I'm also looking for Aria and Anna, Brian.
No, you're not going to get
Eric.
all of them.
So you're not going to be able to get all of them, but you'll at least have Aria, Jenny, and Guy, and Ryan, Sonia, and the other two Indian voices.
Which I would not use the Indian voices, I'm going to be honest, because they're too glitchy. They don't even pause. You want to explain that? How glitchy they are?
They don't pause between sentences. In a way, it's kind of like Ambrola on here, which if we actually fire this
But it's worse. It's worse with these two.
What do I do? Just give up?
Dude.
No.
You have to wait for a bloody update to SAPI adapter. There's nothing else you can.
Well, there ain't gonna be an update, so I'm giving up.
Oh my fucking. Anyway, so basically.
Merriam language.
Basically, in the voice manager, you have a bunch of languages here. You can.
Language combo. Gulf Arabic.
Yeah, there's that.
Arabic, Basque,
Arabic.
Basque for some
Indian,
reason.
Bengali.
Oh yeah, and do you want to explain that there are special types of certain voices?
Oh yeah.
Well,
So if I,
Bulgarian, Bajpuri, Catalan, Hong Kong, Cantonese,
I'm just gonna hit E. Oh well, maybe I can't.
Danish, Czech,
or
Danish, Dog,
Well, there are voices in
Irish,
that.
British, English.
Oh, that's right. I can't just hit E for English. I have to hit frickin'
American English.
I'm gonna hit A. And then if I go to
Voices list all plus V. Allison language. American English. Gender. Theme. Allison language. Allison language. Ava ML
it's
language.
not gonna say Ava. So you heard that right.
Ava ML
You heard
language.
that
American
right.
English.
Ava ML.
and we also have Zoe ML in here for
Ava. Yeah. I think these are supposed to be multilingual / more inflection.
I think the
Yeah,
ML
more inflection.
I think the ML versions are the ones that Voxen uses by default.
And honestly, you guys can agree or disagree with me on this one, but these versions sound so much better than the originals.
They do, honestly. Like, I can actually...
Yes.
Select synthesizer dialogue.
I don't get that though.
When do you think...
What's the point?
I know, we're going back to this, but when do you think they'll have an update for SAPI Adapter?
I don't know. We will never know.
We never
They
know
could
because
discontinue it. They could.
they could
There has
discontinue
So
it.
is there
they
another...
could-
al-
No. You won't. They could discontinue it, in which I wouldn't be surprised if they decided to, and I'm sorry, but
Is there another alternative? I mean...
I just told you there's the Azure SAPI 5 thing.
Yeah, but they wouldn't have Ava or
it
Anna.
does.
Yeah, they
No.
don't have those two, but at least you've got Arya.
You get Arya,
In
Jenny,
fact-
Guy.
In
Actually,
fact, you actually got 2 versions of those. And I'll tell you what else you get. You also get enhanced versions of David, Eva, Mark, and Zira.
For some reason, Eva doesn't
you
even
also
appear in my
get-
bloody one core.
Ew.
Like, I can actually...
Sirens.
Like, I can actually switch
Select
to the...
Windows 1 core.
Search speed is measured out.
Whoa. Shit, I forgot how fast I am.
Rate boost on.
Rate boost rate 50.
That there's a reason for that.
No,
Even
it's
though Eva
because I
is a
have...
one-
Oh.
Even though Eva is a 1-core voice, it's the only way to get that voice to work is to map it to SAPI 5, because if you try to put it into speech 1-core voices, 1-core, the speech API, not the engine, is actually... So basically, the voices have to be Microsoft signed. Eva is not a Microsoft signed voice, hence it will not run in 1-core, but it will run in SAPI 5. And this is why third-party developers do not develop for 1-core.
Even though they call it
Now I better delete.
Even though they
I
call
better
it...
delete.
I would try to delete the program right now, Kevin, because
Yeah,
if you delete it without uninstalling it, it's going to break it.
Yeah, if you're gonna delete it, uninstall it first, because if you don't uninstall it, you'll nuke your entire...
Yeah, I better uninstall it because that's just sucky. I can't even enjoy the Anna voice, the child Anna voice.
Actually, maybe you can. What
I can't even enjoy Ava. I can't add her in the script. Or Anna. Ava the child voice and Anna
Select Braille display.
No, not Braille display dialogue.
So
Wait,
let's show.
Didn't NVDA? Didn't somebody update that neural add-on to include Ava in it?
Well, let me...
Select no speech. Neural voice.
You have to get it from.
Sirens TTS.
You can get it from Jake's website, actually.
No,
Yeah, That one's not updated though.
Yeah, well.
Ava in it.
Oh.
It's in, like some third-party add-on store or something that I don't have.
Yeah.
How do I get it for Sappy 5? The Ava and Anna, the ones from
I
Microsoft. The ones. Oh.
Kevin, how many times do we freaking have to tell you?
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to. You can get
Okay.
You can get the 2 versions of Aria though. Through the Azure thingy.
Actually, for some reason, Sappy adapter and stuff works on my end. Even with
It doesn't work on mine because I tried to install.
Wait. What version do you have? Is it 0.2.9?
Let me show you. I'll show you.
Also, what build is everybody running? Because they don't work.
Oh, you're running an outdated version. You're running an outdated version.
Yes, I mean. Granted, I just nuked mine because I.
Also, another thing you can do.
Wait. What's the program called? I'll see if I can search for it.
No. We have to give you a certain link. Because I can't just... But... You're running an outdated version anyway.
I need to actually update my own... I think part of this might actually be my fault because my pack is outdated.
I tried to see if there was a new version with more voices like Sam and some other new ones that just came out. Like the new Microsoft Sam Online and stuff.
No, you're not gonna get that right now.
Yeah, those are updated automatically, and those voices usually come with installing the Edge voices. They don't run locally, so...
But there have been updates to... I'm going to almost assume that Sappy adapter may end up being discontinued after the fact, though, unfortunately, because right now...
Well, I wouldn't say... We don't know that. I wouldn't keep constantly saying that until we have a definitive solution.
Yeah, or you're gonna get kicked off the stream like I did.
No, for Christ's sake.
Not necessary, dude.
Well, if you keep assuming stuff, it's gonna get you in the butt.
Assuming.
Just saying.
I know, but I'm not trying to...
Not to be mean, but I think assuming things is not the way to go. Unless you look it up and research. That's what I learned.
It's the weekend.
Hold on.
Start recording. Checkbox not checked. Enable mute desktop audio. Not checked.
Okay, sorry about that, folks. We had a little,
Sorry about that, guys.
We had a little...
We had to,
You know what I think? You know what I think this calls for, though? You know what I think this calls for, though?
Gold wave.
The stream really didn't need to hear that.
Gold control.
Yeah, but you know what this calls for, though?
New control. See users Danny.
We're gonna.
Intro.
Ouchies!
What is that?
Something I mashed up.
Yeah, bye-bye, Kevin. You know what? I'm gonna stop.
No,
I'm
that
sorry, but he is kinda. If he's going, he reminds me of me back in. Do I dare say it?
I would say it's actually worse than that.
But nah, this thing.
He reminds me of
That thing, I put that together literally 2 nights ago.
No, but he reminds me of me back in. Do I dare say it? 2025. Ugh.
2025.
2025 that we don't speak of, but no, I think it's actually worse than that. I think his thing is going to take a lot more time too. Because it's been over 2 weeks. 3 weeks to a month. He's still acting like this.
I was about to freaking snap my freaking.
Your finger. Or were you about to, like...
If he does it one more time, though, he's gone, because, like, this is not... We don't tolerate that.
Dude, if he actually gets an account on Chris's Team Talk server, I'm gonna freaking...
Chris is gonna be screwed. If that dude gets up there.
Anyway, should we show everybody the, new vocalizer driver that we have that,
I mean, we technically did, but yeah. Basically, I'm gonna go back in here.
NVDA menu.
Oh, shit, let me switch to something else.
Select synthesizer dot talk.
Zero's key.
Ew! I can't even say dick talk properly! Get out of here!
No, but I would not use eloquence because it can't say voices like it can't say Ava correctly.
I don't even think
No.
I don't even think dick talk. I mean deck talk can.
Actually, yes, it can. Look at this. Wait.
Select it.
Hold on. Oh wait, why did I go back into select synthesizer? Rawr!
NVD. Stream intro.
A lot of the Microsoft voices, ironically, can't say Ava properly either.
NVDA menu. View log.
Oh wait, why did I go? Why did I go into the add-on?
The power of now official Telegram channel. Install date 3/27/2026. Minimum NVDA version 2021.1. Last tested NVDA version 2000.
Shut up! Or I will.
For example, I don't know why, but it says the compatibility is up to 2099 point something.
Oh, and I think I just got pinged. Fuck.
For screen sensitive.
I have a feeling I know who it is because he always. Like, he messaged me actually on the day that.
Do we end the stream because.
Oh, for Christ's sake.
Kevin, what are you do? Is he trying to call you?
Ugh. Let me.
You know what?
NV
if I have to all cap, freaking
address and search bar edit view site information button secure. Stream intro. OBS 32 checkbox not checked in it. Temporary screen view desktop audio.
Alright, guys, we are emergency ending this piece of shit, because this has gone... Yeah, Yeah, no, we're out. We're done.